Hi guys. Nandito kami sa ano ba 'to, ate? Capsule Hotel. So ayan, nagulat kami. See, we're not there. See? Ayan. Madilim siya, guys. And then dim light. There's no light.
No light?
I don't know.
The only light is up there.
Hindi ako nakapag-video kanina. Pero andito na kami sa taas. And how can...
Sorry, guys.
Why? How?
I think
Ayun.
inside should have some light, right? Can you check? Okay. Did you see some light?
First time namin tong check-in sa Capsule Hotel.
No, there's no light, there's no phone
No.
charger.
Oh, is it?
How come?
Ayan. Nag-iilaw kami, guys.
Come on, sleep down.
Oh, we're going to sleep here, Lalab.
Cannot charge phone also.
Huh? Can I charge phone?
Yeah, there's
There's nothing
there's no place for charging.
Is it, ate? Oh, empty. Then how can we shower? There's no... Huh? We don't have our own toilet? Very good, Daddy. Daddy, you're very... Oi, it's not me, it's you.
Okay lah, try new lah.
Can we just go again?
See, why? There's no light. OMG, how?
So cool.
We never bring flashlight, eh. Just like this, meh?
Papa knew
It's like that.
How? Siri?
The two of you going to sleep up? Huh? The two of you going to sleep up?
No, si Jen's gonna sleep.
But is it clean?
I think they changed the cover also, right?
I don't think.
What?
Don't. Okay.
You can remove your mask now,
Can you go
Lalab.
to
There's...
another hotel?
No, we already paid this one.
Okay, so can live with it. Okay, everything.
Is
A lot of things also we need to try. Okay?
Yeah, this is our first time to...
my phone is.
What?
But we saw on the TV.
Bobat?
The
When
one
people are sleeping already.
have
Where are you going to sleep? Up or down?
up. Me and you up.
Okay. Then you can change your clothes here. Oh, ito yung luggage namin, guys. Wala siyang table. Luckily, hindi kami bumili ng ng drinks and food.
And where we put our water bottle.
Just put that. Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sleep.
Huh?
I'm gonna sleep, Papa. Can you sleep? At least there's dark.
Huh?
Can you sleep
I think I can manage.
Hey, Papa. Can you sleep up?
Oh, no. We are not going to close the curtain, okay? Not going to close. We just close this window, this one. They have curtain here. We just open, okay? Shh. Hey, no need to close your curtain, okay? We can sleep. We can sleep
Huh?
I see, wait.
Can we go to
there.
another
Oh,
room?
it's there. How?
I don't know. Can we go to another room? You sleep.
You're gonna go to other
See,
people's.
careful, Siwei.
You know, some people
Watch your
just
step.
sleep and be there.
Papa.
You want to change your clothes now? Go to your...
Go get your clothes and shower outside, okay?
There's a shower outside.
This is the worst day of my life. Shower?
OMG.
Shower, bro.
Okay.
Can me and you sleep up? Oh, no.
Ayan. So, yun na ate. Yan guys. Bye for now. Magre-ready lang kami. Kasi nakakapagod na from 4 a.m. 4 a.m. hanggang ngayon. Anong oras na?
Come
It's
and answer.
9:16. 9:16. Ayan. Kasi maghapon kami na sa mall. Nanood kami ng movie. So, ayun.
Hi, Lay.
Magpapahinga na kami guys. Kasi sobrang nakakapagod ngayong araw.
No, Papa's there.
Ilang oras kami nasa labas. So, ayun. Bye, guys.
Any other hotel?
You wanna change?
Huh? Han, they have their own room. They have the room also, right? But ang dilim. Wait.
You say she wanna
Oh
change
yeah, I
hotel,
think actually
right?
like the one that we went to.
This hotel
They also have room.
in the team.
The one
Like
that we went
standard, they have the...
Anyway, either you take it or we go to other hotel.
Han, we already paid for this.
$50. Okay. What to do?
Why? We can all...
Can take or not, y'all?
For me, it's okay. Money, sayang, Han, sayang.
Yeah, $50.
Papa, where I go?
No, gusto niyang lumipat ng hotel.
Let's change hotel. Papa's my
So first of all, you all check is it clean or not? Yeah.
I can
Okay.
change
For
hotel.
me, it's okay. It's okay.
I'm going to try my pinky still on there.
Gusto niya guys lumipat ng hotel kasi wala kami sariling toilet, and then ang toilet niya guys parang public toilet daw, sabi niya. Separate yung babae, separate yung lalaki. Pero pwede daw maligo. Ilalak lang yung door. Yung parang public toilet ganon.
Change hotel.
So gusto
You can
gusto
shower,
nilang
lock the door lah.
it's okay, just only tonight. Then we are going back tomorrow.
Whole day no shower.
I need to carry.
What to do? Never check before you buy what?
Just change
It's okay, just only today.
Can shower but the
toilet
door lock lor. You can lock one.
This like camping.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our
This
experience. Uh-huh.
Our
What you want you?
So what?
It's okay lah, just only today what. Anyway, we are not going to sleep here for 2 days, only tonight. It's okay, no need to change hotel, just you just take this.
But shower lah, tu lah.
No, we just brush our teeth.
See the scene there, the shower room. You could see.
See where there.
Okay.
Why your pinky there?
Just that
This is just
before you come out, please wear properly the clothes before come out the floor. This is hostel. Like last time I go to Australia backpack the thing. Boy girl all together.
Australia.
Boy, girl, all together.
don't like it.
Last time all together. Sleeping also all together one last time.
But the problem, how can we charge our phone?
Oh, that's the thing lah. Only the charging lor.
Yeah,
I think
Oh.
I think they give you the charging down there lah.
catch my
Oh, like that ah. No need, si Chen. No need.
Catch my pinky.
We stay here, we sleep here.
How come this one is there? Ayo.
What's that? Ay, someone took it.
See wait.
See wait.
For you, ate, are you okay here? Oh, how about you, daddy?
For me okay lah.
Okay. How about you, si Chan?
A bit okay. Because at least I have the protector.
Okay, Singaporean, go all get your clothes. Prepare. Go
Si
to
Hui,
shower.
are you
Go,
okay
go.
to sleep here?
You all cannot all go together one by one, okay?
See you, are you okay sleep here?
I'm
What
just
is
gonna
that?
go and brush my teeth.
What does that mean?
This small.
Ay, okay or not?
A little. A tiny piece.
All go together. Go, 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 go.
Tiny
Okay, right? Okay.
A tiny piece, I mean.
Mm.
Yeah, but
Ayan.
just shine it in my eyes.
Pwede pa lang siyang i-on ang flashlight pa nagbi-video.
Yeah.
I don't know. So, yeah. It's really,
This one when you all go
wala
out,
talaga siya guys
you want to lock the
saksakan.
door also you need to scan.
Walang saksakan ng electric ng charger guys. Oh. Ayan. Okay. Okay, let's go wash.
Papaping niyo ako.
So, ganito siya.
Wait, because
Ito yung toilet. Oh, ganito yung toilet. Huwag na, close na. So, magkakasama. So, ayan siya, guys. Nakakatuwa. Kasi, meron pala siya, guys, ilaw. Hindi namin alam. Ayan. May ilaw siya, guys. And, kailangan palang ilagay yung, yung card para mag-on yung ilaw niya. Hi! Nakaligo kami. Naligo kami kasi sobrang lagkit na. So, ayun. Tulog na yung mga bata. So, ayan. Pwede siya mag-charge. And then, kailangan lang ilagay ito yung card. Ayan. Para mag-on yung ilaw. Hindi namin alam. Talagang, na-ignorante kami, guys. Kasi first time naming mag-book ng hotel na ganito. Usually isang parang apartment or bahay or talagang hotel yung chine-check-in na namin. So, ito yung first time na nag-check-in kami sa isang capsule hotel. So, ayun. Okay naman. So far, so good naman siya. Maganda naman siya, guys. Talaga yung toilet lang talagang magkakasama siya sa pwedeng lalaki babae. So, i-close mo lang yung pinto. Ilalak mo lang yung pinto pag maliligo pa. Naantok na yung baby ko. So, yun. Good night na. And sa susunod na lang ulit na video. Bye! Say good night.
Good night.